Are you tired of juggling between different appliances to achieve the perfect crispy texture for your favorite foods? Look no further. The Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven is here to revolutionize your cooking experience and elevate your culinary creations. With its sleek design, compact size, and impressive features, this mini air fryer is the ultimate kitchen companion you've been waiting for. If you're interested in learning more about the Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven 2.1 quart, 4-in-1 mini air fryer, please click on the link in the description below. Perfectly sized for your cravings, the Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven boasts a 2.1 quart capacity, making it ideal for cooking single servings of sides, snacks, wings, and more. No more waiting for your oven to preheat or dealing with large appliances for small portions. This air fryer offers the convenience of quick and efficient cooking without any wastage. 4-in-1 cooking versatility. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and multiple appliances. This mini air fryer brings you the power of 4 cooking functions in one compact package. Choose from air fry, roast, bake, or reheat to customize your cooking experience and savor your favorite foods just the way you like them. Whisper quiet operation. Experience cooking bliss without the disruption of noise. Unlike other models, the Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven operates at a noise level of less than 48 dB, making it the quietest option in the Cosori lineup. Now, you can enjoy your cooking process and conversations without the irritation of loud noises. Time-saving and convenient, no more waiting around for your oven to heat up. With the Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven, there's no preheating required. This means you can transform frozen foods into crispy perfection in just minutes, thanks to its temperature range of 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Embrace the speed and convenience of modern cooking technology. Healthier cooking, crispy results. Indulge in your favorite crispy textures with up to 97% less oil than traditional frying methods. The Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven uses advanced air circulation technology to achieve the perfect balance of taste and health. Enjoy the crunchiness you love without the guilt. Inspiration at your fingertips. Stuck in a cooking rut? The Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven comes with a treasure trove of culinary inspiration. Explore 30 original recipes created by our chefs on the free VESync app. Unleash your inner chef and whip up delectable dishes that will impress even the toughest food critics. Easy cleaning, hassle-free cooking. Say goodbye to scrubbing and scraping. The non-stick accessories of this air fryer are designed to be dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after every cooking session. Embrace convenience and enjoy mess-free cooking adventures. The Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven is more than an appliance, it's a culinary game changer. Elevate your cooking experience, save time, and embrace healthier eating habits with this innovative mini air fryer. Say hello to crispy perfection, versatile cooking, and the joy of creating delicious dishes effortlessly. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with the Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven, your ultimate mini chef for all things crispy, delicious, and delightful. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.